your statements, your communication is backed up by some logical data. You know, you are conducting yourself professionally. If you're talking lame, if you don't have any backup of or any sight of where this conversation is going to go, it might just end up being a bitter one, and professionally it doesn't fall in anyone's favor, right? So as long as you're rightful, as long as you're respectful, as long as you understand the right the other person or the listener also happens to have, I think you're conducting yourself professionally. बाकी हर जगह का एक डेकोरम है, हर जगह का एक कोड है. स्विमिंग पूल में आप शेरवानी पहन के नहीं जाते हैं, मंडप में आप ट्रंक्स पहन के नहीं बैठते हैं, और इस तरीके की जो चीजें हैं ये हम लोगों को समझनी. आई थिंक वी आर ऑल मैच्योर इनफ. एंड गाइस, एक चीज की मेरे दिमाग में, मैं काफी देर में रखी हुई थी, एज निफ्टियंस, राइट? एक काम प्लीज कर देना यार, सब लोग एक हफ्ते में ही कर लेना. जो बेसिक बड़े ब्रांड्स है ना, उनके प्रोनाउंसिएशन याद करें. मतलब गुची, फैंडी, लुई प्राडा, जिवांची, बुल्गारी, ये बहुत फंडामेंटल रूडिमेंट्री एरर्स हैं जो लोग करते हैं. इनको याद कर लो, क्योंकि अच्छा नहीं लगता, नाक कट जाती है कि से आ रहे हो बिल्कुल और कुकी को कुकी बोल दिया, कुकी मेरी मौसी का नाम है. ये सब मत करो, ठीक है? और बाकी एवरीथिंग इज प्रोफेशनल. आई थिंक यू ऑल हैपन टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड मेक इट अ फेयर एक्सचेंज ऑफ आइडियाज, राइट? अदरवाइज ग्रो करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. कहीं तक पहुंच जाओगे लाइफ में, उसके बाद अगर हर तरीके से बस यही है कि कुछ भी जोक सामने से आ रहा है आपको हंसना ही है, that is not professional conduct. That is I don't want to say, right? That wouldn't have been professional, right? So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Be rightful, be respectful, get to understand the logic of whatever conversation you're getting into. Take feedback positively. Express yourself as explicitly as possible within the bounds of whatever regulation, compliance that particular conversation demands. I don't talk the same way with my wife the way I do with my daughter. I don't talk the same way with Yash the way I do with Disha. They're both my kids, by the way. So, and they're married to each other. So, so nevertheless, right? I think I've made a point here and I've understood. Anybody else who has a different perspective on probably professional conduct? कोई और है? Hi.
Professional conduct is shown through our work. Like we cannot do just whatever assignment is given. We cannot do like scribble or anything like that. And also our behavior.
Okay, valid, super valid. Yeah, what's your name? Matra. Okay, could I have that? Perfect. So Matra here says that professional conduct is somewhat about showing it through work, which I completely, totally agree, and behavior as well. So I think these are two super valid points, and I don't want to change anything that she said. She made absolute sense. So did Harini, by the way. Again, I just gave it my perspective, and we're all open to ideas, right? So I think it all boils down to one simple fact. Over and over again. You know, जब से दाढ़ी निकलनी शुरू हुई थी तभी भी यही लॉजिक था, फिर दाढ़ी बढ़ी तभी भी यही लॉजिक था, दाढ़ी सफेद हो गई है, लॉजिक तभी भी यही कि आप काम कर रहे हैं, आपके साथ और बहुत सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? Everybody is submitting the same thing pretty much at the same time to the same faculty. But the point that remains is, I mean, of course, जो जिसका IQ है वो उसके हिसाब से असाइनमेंट करके देगा, राइट? जिसका I mean, I probably scored a rank. Disha would have scored slightly above me. Yash would have scored absolutely borderline to enter. So the point is very simple, that while giving your best to whatever work you're trying to do or whatever target you're trying to accomplish, again the two key takeaways of the two buzzwords here, rightfully, respectfully. If these two are handled, trust me, there's not going to be a major problem. मतलब बाकी तो कभी-कभी महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने भी गाली दे ही दी है, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. That keep it rightful, keep it respectful, understand. You know, there are situations, there are people, there are designations that demand and command that respect. There are women all ages that command that respect. Give that to them. Life is going to be sorted. काम आप लोग करने आए हैं, कर ही देंगे, पैसा कमाने आए, कमाई देंगे, डिजाइनर बनने आए, बन ही जाओगे, उसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है, काम होगा, ठीक है? So anyone else? Professional conduct. बड़ा लंबा चल गया क्वेश्चन, और भी हमारे बीच में दो लोग और आ चुके हैं, एक माइक पीछे बताओ।
Actually, one point you mentioned, that is respecting each other, and the other I would like to add with it is that we should not create a perspective the moment we see someone. We should actually interact with them for a few days, then because we all are here for 4 years, so we should interact first and then create an image. Looking at someone and just thinking, oh, she might be that, he might be that, it is wrong. We should actually respect each other's point of view as well, because we are coming from different places. So that is what is I wanted to add to it.
No, absolutely, I agree. What's your name?
Hansika.
Hansika, Harini, and Matra. Now we have three perspectives, and one coming in as well. So I think yes, very good build-up, a good upfront checklist of what professional conduct is. Super. I mean, it's 100% agreement to what each of these people, amazing people, have brought to the table. There's a fourth one that is coming our way. Let's hear that one out too, ma'am.
Hello, I'm Shravani, and I want to add that wherever place and whatever place you go into, you should have some minimum knowledge about the place, and you should behave properly according to the situation and not from your own opinion.
Again, I think this brings back to the same point, that there is a code that we call, it's called the code of conduct or whatever the thing is. The point remains the same, right? That there's, I don't want to get into, but yeah, this is all I've been working out on for the 12 years. So there are control limits in statistics, right? There's an upper control limit, there's a lower control limit, and then there's a median, and then there's a mode. Again, I know this will not make sense, maybe it does, but when the mean, anyways. So the point is, be within the control limits, the process distribution remains normal. That is a concept that we do a lot in multinationals, and me being a nerd, sort of use these concepts in day-to-day working as well. So very valid point कि जहाँ पे भी आप जाए, मुझे याद है बचपन में एक बार मैं अपने फूफा जी के घर गया, and my फूफा जी is not the most cordial guy. No फूफा जी is probably, बहुत rarely ऐसे फूफा होते हैं जो welcoming होते हैं. मेरे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं थे, ऐसे ही खड़े रहते थे, क्या करेगा, पागल हो गया है, 16 साल का है, फिर जिम जा रहा है, कुछ काम नहीं, कुछ नहीं करना. Anyways, I was focused entirely on रसमलाई. तो अब वो रसमलाई आई सबके लिए थी, मम्मी थी, पापा थे, मैं भी था, फूफा जी का फैमिली भी था पूरा. वो भी 17-18 छोटी रसमलाई थी. अब मैं बोर हो रहा था, मैंने खा ली वो पूरी. उसके बाद जब टाइम आया, उसके बाद वो रसमलाई कहाँ गई, मैंने कहा कहाँ गई. The point is कि I did not follow the code of conduct, और फूफा जी और ज्यादा त्रस्त हो गए. उसके बाद से आज तक उन्होंने मुझे घर नहीं बुलाया, और मेरे घर बारी से आ करके उन्होंने ये पक्का कर दिया बिल्कुल कि 19 की जगह 190 रसमलाई खा के गए. The point is कि people लाइटर नोट, ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ नहीं था, 19 रसमलाई मैंने नहीं खाई. So anyways, the point is कि हर जगह का एक डेकोरम है, उसको मेंटेन कीजिए, and make it, see, it's not very, दिशा ने बोला ना यार, उतनी डिफिकल्ट की लाइफ है नहीं, until and unless कुछ बिल्कुल ही अनफॉर्चुनेट हो जाए. पागल एक आदमी रशिया में बैठा हुआ है, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, एक चाइना में बैठा हुआ है, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, 2-3 यूएस में बैठे हुए हैं, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. मैक्रो इकोनॉमिकल फैक्टर्स हमारे हाथ में नहीं. उसके बाद किसी ने बैट सूट पी लिया, हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. उसके बाद एक वायरस है जो मंकी से ह्यूमंस में आ गया, हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. ये सारी चीजें जो है ये लाइफ चेंज कर देती हैं, कर दी हमारी 2020 से लेके आज तक. The point remains the same कि as long as you cheer people up around you, not at the cost of making fun of anybody, as long as you submit your work on time, as long as you stick to the basic values, it's all sorted guys. ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करो, क्योंकि ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट है भी नहीं guys. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा हाई एंड जाना नहीं है. इलॉन मस्क के पापा कह रहे हैं कि मैं इससे प्राउड नहीं हूँ, तो ये होता ही है. Just focus, straight and narrow, and it's all going to be sorted. And as far as professional conduct is concerned, trust me guys, I am the least professionally conducting person in this room right now. And if I can make you guys smile, not at the cost of anybody's self-respect, you guys can definitely go a long way. So all the best with that.